एवरीवन, दिस इज साक्षी चतुर्वेदी एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो बार्बी की नई मूवी आ रही है एंड एवरीवन इज रिक्रिएटिंग बार्बीज लुक, तो मैंने सोचा व्हाई नॉट आई आल्सो डू दैट but in my way. And my Barbie look is not going to be any regular Barbie look, so yeah, I think without wasting any time, let's get started. And I wanted to say hi to Arpita for liking all my work and efforts. This really feels nice talking to you all back, so please comment in my video so that I can talk to you all back. So one of my followers shared a picture that she wanted me to recreate a prosthetic look where this area is converting into some different creature. I thought why not combine my Barbie with a creature, like she is converting into a creature. So to start, I am taking my eyebrow pencil and this is from Sugar, and I am marking my area where I want my creature. So I'll make my eyebrow really flat. और जब तक मेरा ये हेयर जेल सूख रहा है, आई डू माई रेस्ट ऑफ द मेकअप वेरी क्विकली. सो आई एम जस्ट gonna skip this part. Okay, so I'm all done with my makeup. Now it's time to do the fun stuff. My gel has also dried out. I'm taking this clay. This is like oil based clay and this is non-drying clay. So I'll make small horns so that I can stick it right here. And to stick it, I'm using Krylon's liquid latex, and soon I'll be making a full video how to use liquid latex with different materials. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel to stay updated about that. A very small part firstly, and I'll just roll it. As you can see, I'm done making my small horns. Now it's time to stick them. So I've taken my liquid latex in a small bowl and I'll just apply it right there so that I can create some texture. Now to apply liquid latex on my skin, I'm taking a toothpick and a little cotton over it because I don't want my brush to go bad. So this is done. Now it's time to stick these horns. I'll just dip the back in the solution and I'll just start placing it. Okay, so I just have covered this whole area using liquid latex so that it doesn't budge when I paint and doesn't fall out when I paint. And the paint which I'm using, it's from You Can Be, and yeah, this is the palette. And I recently got this palette. This is oil based palette. What color I use to paint is water based, and this is my very first time trying oil based color palette, so I hope this works out well. Little confused what color should I make this. I'm thinking to make it pink and blue because I want this creature to be scary yet a feel of Barbie. Go with this pink color, and on the top I'll use this baby blue, I think. Yeah, I'll use this color. So let's start painting. I am just loving it. I mean, look at the blend, it just came out so pretty. The next step which I'm going to do, I'll just take this right here, this purple, and I'll just give a little depth to this prosthetic. I'm all done and you can see the blend of the color is just beautiful. I really love this color. It's so pretty. If I ever turn into any creature, I really want this color as my skin tone if I turn into any creature. So yeah, I'll just quickly change and I'll show you the final result. And this is the final result, and for the touch-up I just added my white lenses, these pearls, and this white fabric which I had in my drawer. And yeah, I hope you guys like this Barbie look which is not so regular. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Sakshi_Chaturvedi_. Also guys, please talk back what next look should I do. It just feels very nice when you guys talk back. So yeah, this was it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.